It's raining pretty bad, everybody. It's raining pretty bad. This is part 1, everybody. So it's raining pretty bad. So we could get some bad weather. So I don't know. I think I look at the weather warning already. So I think it's gonna be just like this for a little bit. I think it's just a little bit of winds and yeah. Yeah, we got some coming. Okay, so we're check out this weather here. Check out the weather. Yeah, we got a little bit of impact. We got a little bit of an impact right now. So yeah, and nothing's not gonna come until probably 9 o'clock. And there's another real big pack coming. There's another one right there. That's another big one. Or they might gonna break it apart. It might decrease a little bit. It might decrease. That means uncreasing. That means uncreasing, everybody. Yeah, so it's pretty bad out. It's really bad out right now, everybody. Yeah, the rain is just trying to keep up. The wind is just trying to keep up. It's trying to do its best, so it's probably a severe thunderstorm. Is it gonna go boom? Huh. Oh, yep, it did.